Just 1 minute ago, something unusual happened in the global finance world, and almost nobody saw it coming. While top finance leaders from around the world gathered expecting major discussions on the global economy, one man quietly shifted the entire focus, and that man is Scott Bessent. What happened behind those closed-door meetings is now raising serious questions across the financial world. Because while officials from major economies were discussing rising oil prices, global inflation, and financial instability, the United States seemed to be playing a completely different game. International Monetary Fund and World Bank meetings were supposed to focus on cooperation between countries, but many finance leaders quietly admitted something surprising. The U.S. appeared far less engaged than expected. Now here's where it gets interesting. Behind the scenes, the U.S. administration has been prioritizing something else entirely: economic strategy linked to geopolitical tensions, sanctions, and domestic policy decisions. Instead of leading long global discussions at the G7 and G20 meetings, the focus shifted toward controlling economic pressure, financial sanctions, and protecting the U.S. economy first. And that shift is sending signals across global markets. Oil supply fears, energy shortages in Europe, and uncertainty in Asian markets are already making investors nervous. Some analysts believe the global financial system may be entering a phase where countries rely less on cooperation and more on strategic economic power. Think about that for a second. If the world's largest economy changes the way it participates in global financial discussions, the ripple effects can move markets, currencies, and even international trade. And that's exactly why investors, economists, and policymakers are watching these developments very closely right now. Because the real question isn't just what happened in those meetings. The real question is the global financial system slowly shifting toward a new economic order? Before we continue, if you enjoy deep finance breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your thoughts. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these finance updates coming. Now back to the story. Several finance officials privately admitted that the U.S. approach felt different this year. Instead of leading long discussions about global economic coordination,